The next product I want to talk about is our latest iteration of our Realme Watch series, the Realme Watch 2 Pro. Our goal with Realme Watch 2 Pro is to elevate your day with fitness and health-focused features packed in a premium design that fits into your style. Speaking of premium design, Realme Watch 2 Pro features a large 1.75-inch color display with an insane 600 nits peak brightness. That means you can read all of your on-screen notifications, messages, and even time under direct sunlight. If you compare it to its predecessor, the all-new Realme Watch 2 Pro features an improved, brighter display by 58% with an increased display size by 56%. Having such a large and bright display means you can better showcase your style through personalized watch face. This time around, our watch face store has over 100 curated watch faces for you to choose from. We are sure that you will be able to find something that expresses your personality and style. For those who are unfamiliar with Graflex is a very influential artist in fields such as street art, pop art, and cartooning. He is also the art director of Realme Design Studio. This time around, we've invited him to design a series of watch faces based on graffiti and street art styles. In these watch faces, you can see a distinct graphic style of design through the combination of subculture cartoon, bold line, and pop art. While Realme Watch 2 Pro is stylish and fashion-forward with its premium hardware design and personalizable watch faces, we want the Watch 2 Pro to inspire you to live a fitter and healthier lifestyle. Realme Watch 2 Pro is more than just a sport watch. It is a personal trainer that helps you to train better, measure your calorie burn, and track your fitness progress over time. And this is why we have increased the number of sports modes from the original 16 to 90. That means whether you are training for a marathon or weightlifting in the gym, Realme Watch 2 Pro has something for everyone. If you are an avid runner like I am, this feature is especially useful for you. With the dual satellite positioning system, you can see your pace and distance without your phone, then see your workout map in the Realme Link app later on. The SpO2 monitor tracks oxygen saturation levels in the bloodstream, making Realme Watch 2 Pro a handy frame of reference for respiratory well-being while working out or in higher altitude environments. I have to be clear that this feature can only be used as a frame of reference, not a medical device. However, this is still a cool feature to have when you are working out. In short, Realme Watch 2 Pro is the ultimate workout and health partner featuring 90 sports modes, dual satellite positioning system for accurate location tracking, heart rate monitor, and SpO2 monitor for safer workout. What about battery life? Well, we continue to raise the bar on what a smartwatch should be with a long-lasting 14 days battery life, so you can exercise all day without missing a beat. In case you are running out of juice and is rushing off to somewhere, well, we've got you covered. Thanks to the convenient magnetic charging, you can get fully juiced up in under just 2.5 hours. In summary, that's Realme Watch 2 Pro. It has an all-new ultra-bright, huge display with over 100 watch faces for you to choose from. It also has many other helpful fitness and health features such as heart rate monitor, SpO2 monitor, dual satellite positioning system, and more. And for people who prefer smaller form but still want all of the awesome features and design of the Realme Watch 2 Pro, we have something just for you. The Realme Watch 2. It has everything you know and love about the Realme Watch 2 Pro. From the ultra-bright 600 nits display to the 90 sports mode support, all packed in a smaller form size of just 1.4-inch color display. So, this is the all-new Realme Watch 2 series. Fitness and health packed in a premium design. We can't wait for our Realme fans and customers to get their hands on these awesome smartwatches.
The Realme Watch 2 Pro and Realme Watch 2 will also be available for just 74.99 euros and 54.99 euros. Both products will be available directly from tomorrow on realme.com and Amazon. Thank you everyone for tuning in. See you soon and have a great day.